You guys excited?
Sure.
For 0 to 60 in the Chevy Blazer.
Yeah.
Huh? Huh?
Well, this car just...
What?
I like your other car.
What other car?
You know, the one that you sold to Grandpa? The Ford Focus.
No, not just the Ford Focus. The Ford Focus ST.
Oh, I forgot that car.
Well, that's a very important part. Okay, guys, we're going to go 0 to 60, which is 60 miles an hour. But really, we're going 100 to 100 kilometers an hour because we're Canadian. So we'll get centered here.
How far are we going?
And then I want you guys to count me down.
Dad, how far are we going?
Just until we get to 100.
No, how far?
Up to that hill. Straight ahead. You ready? You guys count me down. Ready?
100?
No, count from 3.
Starting now?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. What? Go.
Oh, I feel like I'm gonna blow this thing up.
Yeah, we're gonna die.
Oh, it's loud. Boom. No.
What are you
Yeah, there we go. Okay, oh my goodness.
We're scared that this car will blow up. You're going so fast. It'll go like... First the engine will blow, then the car will blow, and then we'll be on fire dying in the
All right. Well, we're gonna do it one more time going this way
Oh.
to account for any wind that might have been going, whatever.
No! Dad,
It's okay.
no,
It's
Dad.
okay. It's okay. It's okay.
He's really scared, Dad.
It's not gonna blow up. Okay.
No!
Count it. 1, 3, 2, 1, go! Come on, buddy. Come on. Oh my goodness. Ah! Let's go. Yep, you're getting there.
I can feel the engine about to burst.
Boom! Got it. Yeah, I got to 100. That's what we were trying to accomplish. Now I'm done. No more. Okay?
Good.
And we can go home and go to sleep. It's all good.